Walmart's winter style just recently dropped, and I cannot wait to share with you all the fabulous finds. Nothing says winter like a classic, timeless, Fair Isle sweater, and we'll get into this in just a moment, but I have so much to cover. Sweaters, jeans, dresses. Hi ladies, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to the channel. As always, I will have the links in the description below. Also pinned to the comment section to make sure shopping is easier for you. I will have everything in numeric order based on the number that pops up on the bottom of the screen. And I'll be sure to include my height and weight to give you a good idea as far as sizing reference, how it may fit on me and how it may fit on you. All right, so let's dive in. Number one is this long sleeve Fair Isle sweater from the Free Assembly line. I am wearing this in a size small, and like I said, nothing says winter like a timeless Fair Isle sweater. And did you know that term originated from a little island in northern Scotland where they basically developed this knitting pattern style. What identifies a Fair Isle sweater is whenever you see a repeating knitting pattern of diamonds or geometric shapes and just great, just classic look. Now, this has more of a little bit of a modern flair with the tall cuff, which is really nice because you're able to pull up the sleeve a little bit here, give a little bit more of a modern touch. Does have the rounded crew neckline. Let me bring this in close so you can see all that stitching detail that helps you identify the Fair Isle style. Now, this is a 96% polyester. It is priced at $24, and it's also 4% wool. Nice and comfortable. Stay true to your size. Did pick this up in a size small. Number two, I paired it with these high-rise bootcut jeans from the Lee line. I'm wearing these in a full size, which has a 32-inch inseam. They're also available in a short, which is a 30-inch inseam, and then a long, which is a 34-inch inseam. Great, comfortable feel to them. Stay true to your size. I'm wearing this in a size 4. I have a little bit of room, but what I like about these jeans, what I'm noticing is they're not pulling down. A lot of times I find for me in particular is that the jeans tend to pull down and then you're kind of, you know, everything's just kind of going down. And we don't want that. We want everything to move up. But anyways, back to the jeans. Like I mentioned, they do have that boot cut style. Now on the label here, it says new smoothing pockets. Not sure what that's supposed to mean. I'm thinking, okay, well, the pockets are nice and smooth, but doesn't that kind of apply to any type of denim jean? Let me know, because I am a little intrigued. I'm like, new smoothing pockets, okay. Nice and flat and smooth, I suppose. Nice and comfortable. And yeah, great pair of jeans. And if I did not mention, they are priced at $23.98. And correction about the Fair Isle sweater, it is priced at $26 and not $24. Number three is this bestseller sweater from the Free Assembly line. It is a long sleeve mock neck style. I'm wearing it in this pink color. It's also available in a black and a gray. This sweater is so soft. It is a polyester nylon spandex blend. That spandex gives it such a nice little bit of stretch there. You do have the drop shoulders. I would say this has a little bit more of a relaxed fit. Like I mentioned, I'm wearing this in a size small. But if you are looking for a soft sweater, this one definitely not disappoint. And it is priced at $26. I think you're going to absolutely love this short sleeve bow sweater from the Free Assembly line. It is priced at $24. I'm wearing this in a size small. It's in a cream color. It's also available in a black. This is a button down, nice little iridescent type buttons. And then you have a little satin bow on here that I feel like adds such an elevated look, takes a little simple sweater and just steps it up a little bit. Perfect for this time of year. This sweater is a polyester nylon wool spandex blend. Nice and comfortable, a good amount of stretch to it. Stay true to your size. Like I mentioned, I did pick this up in a size small. Again, the cream color. It's also available in a black color. Next are these rhinestone jeans from the Scoop line. They are so comfortable, so adorable. The front of the jeans have rhinestones all on the front. Rhinestone cowboy. I could not help myself. But anyways, back to the jeans. The rhinestones are all front. They just create a nice little iridescent pop once the light hits it. I hope it's coming across on camera. Really great, comfortable pair of jeans. Now, the rhinestones are on the front. They are not on the back of the jeans. These are a high-rise, wide leg style. The inseam is a 31.5-inch inseam. These are 100% cotton. Stay true to your size. I'm wearing these in a size 4, not much give as compared to the Levi's jean, which had a little bit of spandex in them. But I have to mention they are comfortable pair of jeans, and I really like a little bit of that rhinestone detail on the front. If you did not see my shopping haul I just shared a couple days ago, we actually found the matching shirt that does not go with this. It's sold separately, but there's a shirt that has rhinestone detail on the front. If you didn't see that video, again, I'll link that at the end, or I'll put that in the winter playlist. But really nice. Or maybe you know what I'll do? I'll create a shopping playlist so that way the shopping videos are in there. Then you have your fall and your winter. But what a fun pair of denim jeans, perfect for this time of year. And if I did not mention, they're priced at $29. Now I paired them with these heels from the free assembly line. Look at these cute silver heels. These are a kitten heel. So many of you prefer a kitten heel, and I am totally on board with you on that one, but nice and comfortable. Now this is a pointy toe style. So if you have a wide foot, I am feeling, because mine's crossed between I would say a wide and maybe no, it's a wide. So but anyways, the toes do kind of go in a little bit. I think after a few hours, it may be a little uncomfortable. The heel is lovely, just under 3 inches. Find myself walking around, not any kind of discomfort or wobble. It doesn't wobble, I should say. I know sometimes with the heels, they can be a little too thin and give you that kind of what's going on? Maybe I had too many drinks. I don't know. But such a cute, fun, festive pair of shoes. These are also available in a red and a black. They have a nice little bow on them. There is a little bit of cushion on the footbed, and then they are that sling back style. You are able to adjust the strap, but if you just want to add a little bit of that festive flair, you can't go wrong with these kitten heels from the free assembly line, like I mentioned, or did I mention, they're priced at $34. And to complete the look, you can pair it with this bestseller mini rhinestone handbag from the Scoop line. This is priced at $24. It has that rhinestone detail all along the purse, also along the strap. There is a little tie knot detail on the strap. Really cute and festive. I'm wearing it, or I picked it up in this silver color. It's also available in a black and a lavender. Hear that zipper? I love when a zipper opens and it's nice and smooth. It is a mini style. The opening is not too large, so it might take a minute to get your phone in here. You cannot fit anything in here but a phone, maybe a pair of keys, and a small wallet. Definitely not your full-size wallet, but this is just a great way to add a little pizzazz or a little pop to your outfit. A simple pair of jeans. Oh, I think the rhinestones are starting to glisten a little bit as the light hit them, but silver little handbag is really great to have. I think there was a style like this, very similar, I want to say 2 seasons ago, that I picked up from Amazon. I thought it was a dupe for a handbag. If you know, let me know, but I'm pretty sure that was a dupe. But anyways, yeah, I don't have it anymore. You guys know I have 3 daughters, so they tend to come shopping. If they're smart, they'll see a haul and then come shopping right away. But yeah, I'll most likely gift this to one of my girls. One of my girls is a handbag gal, so she loves all types of handbags. I'm torn. I'm more of a shoes gal and then handbags, but then I can kind of take both, truthfully. Next is this mini skirt from the Time and True line. It is a tweed skirt in a wine punch color. It has that classic plaid design. It's also available in a black and a brown. The black and brown are a solid print, no plaid, but they also have a beige option that has that plaid design as well. You have a side zipper, an eye hook closure. Wearing this in a size 4, stay true to your size. It has a great fit to it. The skirt is priced at $19.98. It is 100% polyester, has a little bit of a slit in the front here. This skirt would pair great with a pair of high boots or maybe a pair of booties. Just a cute, comfortable skirt. If I did not mention, stay true to your size. I paired it with this short sleeve cardigan from the Scoop line. I've shared this a few times now. This is earlier in the fall season. Great, wonderful cardigan. I find it very versatile. It pairs pretty much with everything. I like how it tapers in a little bit at the waist, has more of a fitted hemline. So if you are someone that doesn't like to tuck in their shirt, this is a great option. And then I feel like the sleeves have a little bit of length to them, which is really nice. But yeah, really nice skirt. Back to the skirt real quick, I wanted to mention the zipper. I think I said it was on the side. It's actually on the back. Full zipper with the eye hook closure too. So this next dress is from the Free Assembly line. It is a beaded mini length dress. Now, if you did not see my last in-store shopping haul, I actually shared this in a mini skirt version where it has this pretty beaded rhinestone detail all along the front. It is not on the back. Good amount of stretch to this. This dress is just so comfortable. Now it is that sleeveless style. You have a rounded neckline. Here is all that little beaded detail all on the front. You have a little seam kind of going across the waist. Nice and comfortable. I think this would pair great with a pair of, it would pair great with a jacket. What do you think about a denim jacket? I think a denim jacket, kind of adding a denim jacket, a pair of sneakers might give it a fun, festive, youthful look. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. But anyway, the dress is priced at $37. It is 47.5 inches in length, and it is a polyester nylon spandex blend. This cardigan is a bestseller from the Time and True line. It is so soft and comfortable. It's nice and thin, so a great layering piece, priced at $19.98. It is a polyester rayon blend. You have a full button down. I'm wearing this in a size small. Stay true to your size. Now, I picked it up in this olive oak color they're calling, which is more of like a warm olive color, but there are 8 other color options available to you. And then, like I mentioned, just a nice thin cardigan. So maybe you don't want something too thick, or you layer with like a coat to step outside in my colder states. Just so comfortable and really soft. Love how soft this is. And like I mentioned, not too thick. The Scuba knit is back. It is a bestseller. It's a wonderful top. Now this sweater is a long sleeve V-neck drop shoulder style. It has that tall cuff. I'm wearing this in a maroon color. There are 6 other color options available to you. The V-neck style, the hemline of the V-neck also matches, or the neckline of the V-neck also matches the hemline of the waist. And then, like I mentioned, that tall cuff style. Now I'm wearing this in a size small. Around the waist, it just feels comfortable, pullover style, easy to slip on, nice and comfortable and roomy. However, there is a good fit to this tall cuff. There's really not much room to kind of, if you see I want to pull it up a little bit, yeah, you definitely can't do that because it is nice and secure, has a little bit more of that fit. Let me see if you guys can see that here, but really nice and comfortable. Now, I believe they have a matching pair of pants that are sold separately. I was not able to find my size in stock, but if you love that more, matching set, I definitely recommend that. If I can, I'll link that below for you guys. If I did not mention, the top is priced at $22. It is a polyester rayon spandex blend. If you love 100% cotton, you're absolutely going to love this dress from the Free Assembly line. It is a pullover style. No buttons or zippers to hassle with. You have V-neck, flutter sleeved. It has a smocked waist. I love a smocked waist. Now I'm wearing it in this plaid. It's also available in a solid black. It is $32, which is not bad for a one and done outfit. Something like this would pair great with some high boots or maybe a nice pair of flats, but just a soft, comfortable dress. There are pockets. I know I repeat myself when I say pockets. Pockets in a dress are fabulous, but they're fabulous. I mean, right? They're fabulous, right? But yeah, nice and flowy, comfortable, and it is a midi length, and I believe it's 46 3/4 inches. Next is another great layering piece, and that is this long sleeve cozy yarn turtleneck priced at $19. I'm wearing it in this cream color. It's also available in 4 other colors. It is so comfortable, so soft. I know why they call it a cozy yarn, because it's just so extremely soft. It's nice and thin, so a perfect layering piece. I did pick this up in a size small. Stay true to your size. It has a great fit to it. I'll untuck it in just a second because I cannot wait to share this skirt with you. Now, if you remember our last haul with that ruffle dress, well, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, because so many of you loved that ruffle dress. That dress is absolutely fabulous. Now, in the next upcoming haul, or actually it's going to be more of a style video, we have so much fashion to put together, so many styles to put together, I should say. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to the channel. If you've hung out this long, leave a Christmas tree down in a Christmas tree emoji in the comments below, because are we ready for Christmas? Or maybe you're not, so then leave a turkey emoji down below. But anyways, yeah, this week I plan on doing more of a style video with all of these Walmart fashions we have found. But anyways, off to this skirt. Yes, this is a skirt version of that dress. So if you don't want a dress and you want more of a skirt, well, here it is. A ruffle skirt, absolutely fabulous. This, oh my goodness. I can't get over this skirt. It is so comfortable, has such, it definitely, one of you commented saying, you know what, that dress just kind of puts everything into place and creates such a lovely silhouette. And I cannot agree with you more, because it really does. For some reason with these ruffles, just kind of sucks everything in. But it's such a fun skirt. Oh my gosh. Now the dress I had shared was in a gold champagne type color. It's also available in the skirt version. I picked it up in the black. Something like this would pair great with like an oversized sweater, and then you have that nice fit of the skirt. This is all elastic around the waist. I did pick this up in a size extra small because I was like, you know what? It has elastic. Yeah, I think it would, yeah, stay true to your size, or if you're in between sizes, you can definitely size down. The skirt is priced at $28. The length is 44 inches in length, and it is 100% polyester, but just such a great, wonderful, fun, festive skirt. Well, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and keep making life your runway. Until next time, bye.